Google introduces ChatGPT competitor Bard. Here's how to get its access and how does it work. According to Google, Bard uses online information to give fresh, high-quality replies. LaMDA is the basis of Google's chatbot. Google has announced Bard, a ChatGPT competitor that uses Google's own language model for dialogue applications, LaMDA. Google has announced Bard, a ChatGPT competitor that uses Google's own language model for dialogue applications, LaMDA. The statement comes only days after Google CEO Sundar Pichai detailed the company's progress during an earnings call. What is Google Bard? How does it function? Google Bard is an AI-powered chatbot that can respond to various inquiries in a conversational manner, similar to ChatGPT. According to Google, Bard uses online information to give fresh, high-quality replies. LaMDA, Google's language model built on transformer and neural network architecture, is at the heart of Google's chatbot. Surprisingly, ChatGPT is based on the GPT-3 language model, which is likewise based on transformer. How to access Google Bard? Google Bard is currently not accessible for public testing, but select people have access. Google is producing a lightweight model version of LaMDA that uses far less computational resources.